Selamünaleyküm everyone. Welcome to OZR Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan Özer, CEO of OZR Projects. We are in the business more than 14 years old, and I can say that maybe we are one of the first listed real estate company who started to cooperate with the foreign investors in our beautiful city of Kocaeli. And in this case, what we are serving to our investors, our clients. First of all, nowadays we specialize for especially CBA. What is a CBA? Citizenship by investment. This is very important because if you are looking for getting Turkish citizenship by CBA, you need to be careful for the developer, for the products, for the lawyer, for your real estate agent. And we are serving all these items as a package, like all in one. In this case, we have authorized lawyer and suitable projects, suitable property projects, apartment projects, villa projects, shortly suitable products in this case too. And when you are making the investment, also you are getting really good benefit. Alhamdulillah, we are serving all these items and we are giving the warranty in this case too. Let me tell you, for instance, nowadays we are selling the multiple properties for the purpose of the provided citizenship too. And after that, we are managing your properties. What does it mean? We are finding the tenants for your properties too. Because especially in our city of Kocaeli, you are eligible to get multiple properties for your citizenship purpose too. And to cooperate with us, what you provide? First of all, you can save time, you can save energy, and you can save your money too. Because regulations are changing so fast in Turkey. Alhamdulillah, we know up-to-date regulations for the getting citizenship, and Alhamdulillah, we are providing saving of time, saving of your money in this case too. And what kind of properties we have in this case? We have luxury apartments, we have villas, brand new villas, and we have commercial units like office or shops. And we specialize in Kocaeli and Sapanca. As additional, also we start to make marketing cooperate with some developers in Istanbul too, like in Asian side and also in European side. But if you are looking for something else in European side, you should consider the million dollars. That's the reality. In that way, please don't judge me. But if you let us know about your budget and requirement, believe me, we are ready to serve out most compatible property choices according to your requirement. And we are aware that when you're purchasing a property, you are purchasing the abilities, advantages or disadvantages of the region too. In this case, when you start to cooperate with us, we are not just showing the properties. We are showing the city, we are showing the related region, we are showing the related cities, abilities in the cities too. At the end of the day, when you're leaving from us, you will get a conscious about the city and you will have a conscious about the property market of the related city too. That's so important. You should know that when you start your tour with us, it will take at least 6 or 7 hours too. In this case, get ready. It will be very tough, but at the same time, very productive day for you. For more information and cooperate with us, please directly contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532-207-8634. If you like our videos, please don't forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe our YouTube channel too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.